Welcome to our full guide on how to allow everyone to see a story on Facebook after you've posted it. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on Your Story to access the story you've posted. Next, within your story, locate and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu of additional options for your story. In the Options menu, tap on Edit Story Privacy to adjust the visibility settings of your story. From the privacy settings, select Public to allow everyone, including those who are not your friends on Facebook, to see your story. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the privacy settings of your story on Facebook to make it visible to a wider audience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to enable everyone to see your story on Facebook after it's been posted. Share your moments with a broader audience and engage with a wider community through your stories.